Zimbabwe's military legacy in peacekeeping missions. The 31st of August 2025, by Standard Reporter, in the 1990s, as Somalia descended into chaos, Zimbabwe's army earned international recognition for its discipline and effectiveness during United Nations peacekeeping missions. Often overlooked today, the country's military interventions underlined its reputation as one of Africa's most capable liberation armies, blending guerrilla tactics with modern military training. Zimbabwean forces, many of whose commanders were trained at the prestigious Sandhurst Military Academy in the United Kingdom, were deployed to Somalia under the United Nations Operation in Somalia, UNISOMI and II. The mission came at a turbulent time after Pakistani peacekeepers were killed amid allegations of abuse, and American forces suffered heavy losses, including the downing of a Seahawk helicopter. According to military accounts, it was Zimbabwe's General Constantino Chiwenga, today the first vice president, who stepped in to stabilize the situation and prevent further bloodshed. He was the one who saved them, one military historian noted. General Chiwenga's international record, however, rarely makes headlines. Today, coverage of his name often focuses on allegations and political controversies, overshadowing his earlier contributions in global peace efforts. Zimbabwe's armed forces also played a decisive role in the Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC, during the late 1990s, when rebels overran key strategic areas, including an airport. It was Chiwenga who was called in to restore order and initiate dialogue. His leadership paved the way for negotiations that culminated in the Lusaka ceasefire agreement of 1999, Africa's first major peace accord of its kind. Similarly, in Angola, General Philip Sibanda, now commander of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, was instrumental in facilitating dialogue between UNITA and the Angolan government, further underlining Zimbabwe's critical role in regional peace processes. Despite present-day criticism of Zimbabwe's military and political leadership, the country's armed forces remain an important part of Africa's peacekeeping history. Their involvement in Somalia, the DRC, and Angola stands as a reminder of the enduring influence of Zimbabwe's liberation legacy on the continent's stability.